Stop gambling with your home's safety. In 2026, most people are still making critical mistakes when choosing a smart home security system, leaving their families vulnerable to outdated tech and hidden fees. As someone who's spent hundreds of hours meticulously testing these devices in real-world scenarios, I'm here to cut through all the marketing hype and show you the only true best overall smart home security systems you should consider right now. And trust me, the system at number 1? It's going to completely change how you think about home security, especially when it comes to privacy and long-term value. Let's kick things off with a system that's a solid contender, but perhaps not for everyone. Coming in at number 5, we have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. This is a fantastic option if you're already deep in the Google ecosystem. Its best features include truly stellar image quality, with intelligent alerts that can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, reducing false alarms. It integrates seamlessly with Google Assistant and other Nest devices, making it incredibly user-friendly for existing Google Home users. Who is this for? Absolutely the Google loyalists, those who prioritize smart alerts and easy integration above all else. However, one honest flaw: to truly unlock its full potential, like continuous video recording and accessing more than a few hours of event history, you absolutely need a Nest Aware subscription, which significantly adds to the long-term cost. But what if you need something more robust, something that gives you eyes everywhere without constantly worrying about battery life or cloud storage fees? Then you need to see our next pick. Sliding into number 4 is the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. This is a beast of an outdoor camera. Its best features are undoubtedly its 2K HDR video resolution, which delivers incredibly crisp footage, the integrated spotlight for color night vision, and its super-wide 160-degree viewing angle. It's also completely wire-free, giving you maximum flexibility for placement. Who is this for? People who prioritize excellent camera quality, strong outdoor performance, and the ability to place cameras virtually anywhere without running wires. Now for its honest flaw: while the battery life is good, it's not continuous. These batteries do need recharging, which can be a pain if you've got cameras mounted high up, and similar to Nest, unlocking advanced features and longer cloud storage typically requires a subscription after the initial trial. Alright, so we've looked at individual cameras. But what if you need an entire system, a comprehensive defense for your whole home that you can expand over time? Our next pick delivers exactly that. Our number 3 spot goes to the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. This is where you get a full-fledged security system. Its best features are the comprehensive kit itself, including contact sensors, motion detectors, and a keypad, plus the option for professional 24/7 monitoring. It integrates beautifully with other Ring devices and Alexa, and its Z-Wave compatibility means you can fold in other smart home devices. Who is this for? Someone looking for a complete, expandable DIY security system with the option of professional monitoring and a strong brand ecosystem. The honest flaw here is that while the initial kit is great, it can become heavily reliant on the Ring Protect Plan subscriptions for video storage from their cameras, and for certain advanced features. Plus, the sheer number of pieces can feel a little overwhelming to install initially if you're not used to DIY projects. Now, if you want that same comprehensive coverage but with an emphasis on sheer simplicity and no long-term contracts, our next system is engineered just for you. At number 2, we have the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless home security system. This system lives up to its name, simple. Its best features are its incredibly easy DIY installation. You can literally set it up in minutes without any tools. It also offers professional monitoring without long-term contracts, which is a huge win for flexibility, and it includes cellular backup in case your Wi-Fi goes down. Who is this for? Renters, people who want ultimate simplicity in setup and use, and those who desire the flexibility of no-contract professional monitoring. Now for its one honest flaw: while the cameras are decent, they aren't industry-leading in terms of resolution or advanced AI features compared to some of the dedicated camera systems we've discussed. And the system does rely on a central base station, which if compromised, could potentially be a single point of failure. But what if you could have the absolute best of both worlds? Ultimate security, crystal clear video, intelligent AI, and most importantly, no monthly fees for your recordings? That brings us to our number one pick. The best overall smart home security system of 2026, hands down, is the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. This system truly sets the bar. Its best features include astonishing 4K resolution across its cameras, delivering incredibly detailed footage, and crucial local storage via its Homebase 3. That means no subscription is needed for video storage, ever. It boasts Bionic Mind AI for advanced facial recognition and person tracking, giving you highly accurate alerts, and an incredible 365-day battery life, with an optional solar panel for continuous charging. Who is this for? Privacy-conscious users, anyone who wants top-tier video quality without the burden of recurring cloud storage fees, and those seeking robust AI features for smarter security. Its one honest flaw: the Homebase 3 is required, so if it were ever physically compromised, all your local footage could be lost. Also, while its smart home integrations are growing, they're not as broad or deeply embedded as something like Google Nest or Ring within their respective ecosystems. But for pure security power, privacy, and value, the eufyCam 3 is unmatched. Before you click away, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and for the absolute best, up-to-date prices on every single system we talked about today, check the pinned comment and the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on those deals.